Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Atin Parhawati from class 2A. In this video, I will discuss about interpreting graphs and tables. Previously, I will explain the meaning of graph. Definition of graph. A graph is a diagram that exhibits a relationship between two variables. Each variable is represented by one axis on the graph. There are three types of graphs, including line graph, pie graph, and bar graph. Okay, next, how to interpret graphs. Here there is one type of graph, namely a bar graph, which explains sales data. To interpret the graphs, we must first answer several questions, including the first, what is the subject of the graph? The answer, this graph shows Scarlett Whitening sales data for 2021 from January to December. Next question, what do the horizontal and vertical axes represent? The answer, horizontal axis. The horizontal axis represent month with 1 month intervals market. And vertical axis, the vertical axis represent the number of sales of Scarlett Whitening product in unit of 50 pieces. And next question, what trend of pattern does the graph refer? Trend of pattern, Scarlett Whitening sales start to increase from February and increased drastically from October to December. And the last question, what are the implications of the graph? What prediction can you make, or what conclusion can you draw? Implication and prediction. If the product continues to be produced continuously, sales from year to year will continue to increase every month. And conclusion, at the beginning of 2021, the Scarlett Whitening product sold more than 200 pieces and start to increase February, but experienced a very drastic decline until August, then start to increase again from September to December. Next is the meaning of the table. A table is a list the present numerical data in columns. The data are usually arranged in either descending or ascending order. Unlike graphic tables do not have types. Let's go straight to how to interpret a table. There is an example of a data table on sales of the best-selling smartphone. In 2022, to interpret this table, we have to answer several questions on the side. First question, what are the subjects of the table? The table shows detailed data on the most smartphone sales in 2022. Second question, what are the headings for each column? Data is presented is descending order with the highest sales figure listed at the top of the column and the lowest sales figure listed less at the bottom of the column. Third question, what order are the data presented in? The left column shows the smartphone brand and the right column shows the detailed number of smartphone sales in 2022. And last, what conclusion can you draw from the table? So the biggest smartphone sales in 2022 are iPhone with total sales reaching 3.3 million, and the lowest smartphone sales are Huawei with total sales of 1.8 million. Okay, that's how to interpret graphs and tables. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.